like the whole room is full of water. It's like where you live, you know, you just told me about the waterfall.
This girl took me to the waterfalls when I was a kid, my whole life. You always took me to the waterfalls to swim.
You want to come to the waterfall in Romania?
Yes.
Whoa, she heard.
Yes. He keeps telling me, you're invited to go to Romania. You're invited to go to Romania. His dad's rebuilding their house.
I'll give you the real immersive experience.
I'll give you the real immersive
Like,
experience.
you actually feel the water.
Here, try this one, try this one.
Whoa, this is another one I should make. I should recreate.
Isn't that cool?
I think by now they even forgot about us.